Hello everyone! Today I would like to share with you a recipe for tiramisu. This tiramisu that I make is a very easy 15-minute recipe. It's not the proper tiramisu like you know it from restaurants, but in my opinion and my husband's opinion, this is even better. The reason why I like making tiramisu myself at home is that A, it's super simple and very fast, and B, you can choose the amount of sugar that you add to the tiramisu. Because my issue normally is that any tiramisu I eat outside of my house, it's too sweet for me. So that's why I like making it myself. Very easy recipe. Let me show you the ingredients. For the tiramisu recipe, you will need some fresh coffee. I have 2 shots of black coffee here. You will need alcohol. Normally you put amaretto in tiramisu. That is not my option. I always use a good rum. So this is our good rum here. You will need the ladyfingers. Also for the topping, you can use the powdered cocoa, but I prefer to use a solid chocolate. I use the 70%. You will need the mascarpone and you will need some icing sugar or powdered sugar. Because the mascarpone on its own is a little too thick, I add some heavy whipping cream to it. So pour some in there and make sure that the consistency is soft enough, but still firm, but soft enough so you can spread it over the ladyfingers. So I would add like 3 spoons. So here you have it, my 15-minute tiramisu. Just make sure that you give it at least 30 minutes in the fridge before serving it. This is an amazing recipe and I got so many compliments from my friends and my family. So try it and you'll see for yourself. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Now I deserve it.